Hi everyone, welcome to the new pilot experience here with DJI and Drone SafeStore. We're here at Chichester Golf Club and we're going to have a great day getting hands-on with all the drones and DJI products.
That's pretty cool, yeah.
Yes.
I'm Mark, I actually own the company and I set it up about 7 or 8 years ago. We launched the store with my son Tom and that was in 2020.
My name's Tom Boyd, Sales Director of Drone SafeStore. Today has been a really good day for the new pilot experience. We've had DJI here, we've had a lot of new pilots, intermediate pilots and professional pilots, and it's been a really good turnout. Everyone's enjoyed it. Lots of people have had a go on the new drones. Everyone's enjoyed it. We've done a crash test course as well, so the quickest drone pilot in the UK. We've given £400 store voucher to. And I think a lot of people have really just enjoyed being able to ask DJI questions and see how far we've come as a business really, and it's exciting to see what the future will be.
But today's been a fabulous day, loved the experience.
Brilliant.
Yeah, we enjoyed it.
Yeah, I think I'm a bit more enthusiastic about it now.
I think that avatar needs to come with a health warning, particularly for your bank balance.
Very cool, very intuitive.
Started off in 2020, me and my dad in lockdown. Where we've come from is just insane to think about really, and we're just a small family business.
So we've had a fantastic day here at the Drone SafeStore event. Amazing turnout, great feedback from everyone who turned up as well.
Thanks to Drone SafeStore, and we hosted a very successful event.
For me, the day has been absolutely brilliant. It's been really nice to see a crowded room, lots of different flyers from all different kind of backgrounds.
Today has been a really good day for the new pilot experience.
Thanks everyone's support. I think we will keep hosting this kind of the drones experience event in future.
Okay.